Hello friends, Diane with Bean Street Paper here, and tonight I'm going to open my brand new paper pumpkin delivery from Stampin' Up. I am an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, but I do love all craft supplies equally. However, if you don't have a demonstrator or you'd like to see what Stampin' Up has to offer, I would love to help you with that. You can check out my website at www.beanstreetpaper.stampinup.net. And without further ado, we're going to open this super cute box. I waited till I got home today. What better thing could you do on a Friday night than open your paper pumpkin? Now, if you like to do craft projects, this is the perfect thing for you. It comes once a month, and it's always something unique and fun. So this is part one of a two-part box for Christmas. So this is just going to preview what part two, well, it's going to show you what the box for part two is. And this will come next month. But this month, it looks like we got, and I try not to look and see what it's going to be because I like the surprise. We got a cute little stamp set. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. It looks like snowflakes, season's greetings and winter wishes, and a little bird. And we got a Night of Navy Stampin' Spot. And then, in the pack, this one's called Winter Woods. Let me just move this box out of the way. Almost threw it on the floor. It looks like we're going to be making some greeting cards. These kits come with everything you need to make your cards. I went a little deep on that one. So let's see what we have. Oh, these are pretty. All right. So you'll get an instruction sheet that's going to show you exactly what the cards are going to look like, and then when they're completed, and then you'll get a step-by-step instructions. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, so the thing about these kits is, so this kit comes with the cards, right? Here's the cards. They're done already. And this is going to make 10. Yeah, so you got 10 card bases. So you're going to make 10 cards. Here's the envelopes. Look how pretty they are. And they feel great. They're really high quality. All Stampin' Up! Products are really high quality. You're going to get some wood strips and some blue sentiment strips to stamp your sentiments on. And then you're going to get, these are, if I can get the bag open, these are going to be your die cuts for your cards. So you have the little birds, die cut. They're all ready to just punch out. These trees, and I don't know if you can see that. Can you see they're kind of shimmery? That's super pretty. And then you have some dimensional adhesive and some regular adhesive. This one did not come with a Stampin' Block. Okay, so let's, real quick, just to show you how easy this kit is, and I'm not even going to look at these directions. I'm going to just look at this picture. I'll set it right there. You can't see it, but I can. Let's just put one together. You'll see how quick and easy these go together. So what I'm going to do is put my card together, crease it. Okay. Then it looks like I'm going to take one of these tree cutouts. And kind of gently pull it away from the back there. So there's that. Okay, I need my X-Acto knife. You're gonna need these guys, these little adhesives. So I'm going to put, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'll probably put, oop, 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 1 at the top of the tree, each of the big trees. Okay. So this guy looks like he just goes on the card. And these trees are kind of behind the birch. All right. So I'm going to line him up. Okay. Press him down. All right. It looks like I need 2 little birdies. One facing this way and one facing this way. And I'm going to do the same thing with the stickers on that. I'm going to take 1 on each little bird. Okay. Then I'm going to put this guy here and this guy here. Okay. Then I need a strip of wood. And he just goes right across the bottom. So I'm gonna take these guys and put, let's say 3. Alright, and I'm gonna center, oop. I'm gonna center him at the bottom and make sure he's on straight. Okay, press him down. And then I need 1 of these guys, and I'm gonna put I know I have a paper pumpkin. Here we are. This is it? Maybe not. Anyway, I have a block. I'm gonna put Season's Greetings, I believe. Now, I can already see that I've screwed up a little bit because I did not. I was just looking at this and I was like, well, why do we have these snowflakes right here? Well, we have those snowflakes right there because if you look at the picture, they stamped them before they put the trees on. No biggie, easy fix. So let's do that. Peel that guy off and put him on my block. Okay, then I'm going to take my Knight of Navy. Who am I kidding? I'm never going to get that open with my fingernail. And just slice it with my X-Acto. or not. Get that stuff out of it. These are really, besides trying to get stuff open, there we go. And then I just peel off that part so that it's not in the way. Really great for all ages. I mean, really. Okay, so I didn't stick those down too hard. So what I'm gonna do is take my snowflakes, pounce on them, and just kind of well, that wasn't supposed to happen. That was not supposed to happen. And there's no way I'm gonna get that off because it's on there. Oh well, somebody will have blue snowflakes on their trees, I guess. I did good. Oh, birdie stuck him a little bit. Okay. Anyway, what I was saying is these are not very difficult to do, so anyone can do them. Teenagers, older folk. Okay, and then I'm gonna take, it just so happens I have many stamp blocks, so I'm gonna use a new one. Just think about how great this kit would be for somebody who is maybe in an assisted living, but you know, can still do things and likes to do things, keeps them active. And they'll get one once a month, so it's something to look forward to. Okay, so now I always stamp off on a other piece of paper first to make sure I'm good to go. These little things right here are full of ink. I mean, they're just... I'm gonna line this guy up. I don't feel like I have good coverage on that. Okay. Now, an important thing to remember about this, you want to make sure that you stamp straight down and straight up. But you also want to leave it there a second. I mean, don't just stamp it and pull it up real quick, because you want to make sure the dye soaks into the paper. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, then I'm going to take these guys and attach my season's greetings. On top of my wood piece. Oops, that guy just peeled right off. On top of my wood piece. Make sure I got it centered. And then I have some cute little snowflakes that can go, these look like they're just big enough to go, whoop, if you can get them. If you can get this sticky piece on there, they look like they're just big enough to go. But I mean, how easy was that? Super easy. I didn't read any of the directions, because if I did, I'd have known that I was supposed to stamp those blue dots first. However, I just wanted to show you how, even without reading the directions, these are super easy to put together. So really, I mean, anybody could do it. So if you think you would like to sign up for paper pumpkin kits, like I said, they come once a month, and really they're fun. You and a couple friends could get them and sit around and drink wine and put together your paper pumpkin kits. And then, you know, your Christmas cards are going to be done. And then I believe, you know, I said I don't really like to look into what it's going to be so that I'm kind of surprised. I believe the next one is something to go with this one, like some kind of packaging, tags or something for your presents. So, but look at how pretty that card is. Super pretty. Sparkly and glittery. All the materials came with it, so I didn't have to worry about it. I will link below a link to my Stampin' Up site so you can subscribe to Paper Pumpkin if you like. If you wanted, you could put I put Season's Greetings on the front, but this, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year, you could put that on the inside. So these are just super fun all around. Thanks for joining me tonight. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Have a great and crafty night, friends.